Gondor sugar, crystallizer equipment. Dissolve premium white sugar in water, highly efficient removal of impurities, precise temperature control. The output of high purity. Connecting raw materials and crystals. Ensuring a stable supply of sugar syrup. Precisely control tank parameters. Ensure stable crystallization process. High quality, stable crystal form. High efficiency sorting. Finished products are uniform in size, meet diverse production needs. Applicable products. Factory real shot. Client gallery. What our customers say.
Hello, dear Lola. Thank you for helping me when I needed to buy the dryer. It's working perfectly. It looks great, and everything came as it was supposed to be.